How to schedule future payments with Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule future dated payments in Truist online banking so your bills get paid on time automatically. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in on your main dashboard, you simply have to open transfer and pay and then select bill pay. And this is where you add payees and schedule future payments. So here, if the payees is not added or the company or person isn't listed yet, you can just click add a payee and enter their info. And if they are already there, you can just select the payee you want to pay and from there you can simply click pay. And after that you need to choose the from account and enter the amount and pick a delivery by date in the future and Twist will automatically show the send on date so it arrives by your chosen day. So here, if you want to turn it into a recurring payment, set the frequency like weekly, monthly, etc. So there you can choose a start date and set an end date or pick until cancelled. And once you're done with that, you simply have to review the details carefully and click submit and you will see a confirmation number. So save it or screenshot it. And if you need to change something, you can go to schedule payment to edit or cancel before the cutoff time on the send on date. And that's it. With that, your future payments will be scheduled on Twist. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.